Matilda Visits. Today you find us in Malaga, Spain. We are here at the Masters Series. That is like the World Championship in athletics for people over a certain age that are no longer in conventional realms. And so Poppy and Desley, they are here to compete for Australia. That is Matilda's granddad. And yeah, we're very excited to see him here competing in the decathlon, so the 10 different things that he does. And Desley is competing in shot put, in discus, and in javelin. So we're going to see that over the coming days. Right now I'm in the stadium. They are waiting in line to get accredited for this big worldwide event. Australian delegation, how are you feeling in front of this very important Masters event?
Confident.
Very confident.
Desley, this is the first time that you're representing Australia?
Yes, it is.
What are your feelings? What's going through your mind?
I'm just going to go out there and do my very, very best for Australia.
David, you've been to a couple of Masters International Series. Tell us more about these international events.
They're very well attendance. Have in the past had 8,000 athletes, and apparently there's 8,000 athletes here again this year. 100 countries. So it's a really big event, and it's great to have it in Malaga here in Spain.
Look in the description below where we've got the link to the YouTube video of Matilda Visits Lyon, where David was competing last time.
We're sitting here in Malaga in a nice little alleyway having tea. It is now 8 o'clock, still bright sunlight. Nice temperature, about 29, 28 degrees. Beautiful.
Yeah, Desley, it's the first time that you're going to be competing in a Masters series. Nervous?
No, not at all.
Yeah?
That was last night.
That's why you sit in the car.
Hold on, what happened last night?
No, I asked Dave, did he have butterflies? And he went, no. And I'm going, well, I do.
We are in Malaga at the World Masters, or at the opening of the World Masters series, and we're about here to support Desley and Poppy.
Muchísimas gracias a la televisión que preside una gran participación. Antonio Fernández Martínez, secretario general. ¡Las palmas!
Let's go and visit Malaga.
Steady, steady, go!
Right there, left, and they're number 6.
With Matilda Visits in Malaga today, we're having a look at the Pablo Picasso Museum here. It's a really good museum, but unfortunately, like in so many places, you're just not allowed to film or take photos. So what can we say? It was great, fantastic Picasso pictures, and actually underneath there's an archaeological site from which we have some footage, because of course old stuff you're allowed to take footage of, new stuff not so much. Yes, so far a great sunny day. We're looking around after some great breakfast. We're looking at the city. Now we're going to see the castle and the Alcazaba or something like that it's called. A fantastic Moorish castle and defensive position here in Malaga. Is Poppy coming?
No.
present. We're travelling through the insides of the Roman ruins, and we've just come past the second angeled gate, the Arco di Cristo.
Dit is naast. Yeah. And do you like it so far in this castle?
Yeah. It's not very brown funny, but yeah.
Mama, I hurt myself here.
Oh, you hurt yourself?
Supposed to go bath, eh?
No, there's a mummies in there.
I think so.
Cake.
Meinst du, it's in a cake?
Yeah.
What does the sign say?
No children can go, not in there.
Oh, I see. Wer heißt der Uhu, wo der den lebt?
His name is Milo.
Milo.
You need a rock or something.
Daddy, I want to lustig laufen.
Richtig, da kann sogar Bäume verklettern, ganz gut, gell?
Daddy got go hello. I think he's playing hide and seek with me.
Oh, okay. He's not hiding very well.
It's a military garrison, and it was used to house gunpowder. So that's why it gives you such a fantastic view of the area. But once you've kind of seen it, the best thing to do is sit here, enjoy the view, and have a delicious Spanish beer.
Matilda, what is the best thing for you to do? Have an ice cream?
Oh yeah, it looks like a pirate ship actually.
Yeah, but mommy,
Yeah?
it's not a pirate ship.
What is that, Matilda?
Gaga!
Oh, there's definitely eucalyptus trees. I'm not sure what sort they are.
Oh guys, that was fantastic.
Did you see the church back there?
It was what?
The church? Good morning. It took us a while to figure it out, but it's Wednesday on our trip here in Malaga with Matilda. We're just getting a wonderful breakfast right next to our hotel. And today is a very special day because Leslie is performing for the first time, competing for the first time at the World Masters Series here in Malaga. We're very excited to see her this afternoon at the stadium. Excuse me, are you competing for Australia?
Yes, I am.
And how are you feeling?
Very excited. Here we are at the University of Malaga, waiting for Leslie to do her shot. Put her shot. Shot her foot. Go, Leslie. Go, Leslie. You look so cute now. You're so cute.
Was denkst du von Malaga bis jetzt? Ist gut? Freust dich? Ja? Und das Essen ist auch gut. Was isst du denn gerade? Isst du Brot? Wie viel?
válida. Número 3, 8, la victoria está.
So Dave, you did your first competition here in Torremolinos. How did it go?
Yeah, that was good. 100. It was yeah, no headwind, a little bit of tailwind if anything. It was good. I think I either just got beat by a zillion to the second or we dead hit it. So that was pretty good. I was happy with that. And the second hit didn't look any faster, so yeah, feeling pretty confident. Until it comes to the shot put, then I won't feel confident.
Ready? Go, Bobby! Whoa!
Yeah, it was good. That was the best so far. I'm happy with 471.
Dave's doing very, very well with his shot put. He's looking confident, he's moving well. I think he's happy with what he's doing.
You've been giving him some tips, be in front of it.
Yes.
After all, you're the master shot putter.
Yes.
En la calle 4, Lane Ford from Australia, David Valley.
Raise it home! Go Dave! Yeah! Go, 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 go! Quick, give everything! Go! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Congratulations, David Valley.
Do you want to be in a race like me and also be the winner? Luca. We're going to keep practicing. We're going to keep eating all the vegetables. Good girl.
But I want to eat my vegetables after I want to eat my vegetables when we're back at the house.
That last 100.
And you just
No, talk
kept
about-
on going. Good
Talk
on you.
about money. Hit a brick wall.
No, you did good. Kept those arms going. You did good.
You were fantastic.
Yeah.
60 points on that conditions. That's a 659 anyway.
My darlings, you're trying out local churros. How is it? Or churro?
But it's very airy. There's not much to it, is there?
I think it's very, very good.
I'm going to rest.
Matilda's having a rest. Let her have a rest and drink her wine in peace.
Yes, I need training on discus. It's absolutely crap, and shot put as well.
Leanne
can't do
for
it.
the pup.
It was pup, yeah, it was they threw like a pup. Would have thrown a pup further.
You want to do it?
Had a crap hole, but it seemed to work out okay. That was good. Not the best of it, 295, so I can't complain with that.
This is a good run. This is a good run. Was that a good run, Matilda?
That was a really good one, but I don't think it's fun.
was yelling out to Dad, he didn't hear. She goes, I think we should leave Poppy because he doesn't want to hear us.
Un saludo. Baby Valley from Australia. Entra en su última vuelta. Vicky Celestia. Pero parece que ha sido fuerte el ataque y de Willy of the Race. Julian Petros.
We are the champions.
How did he go, David?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, PB. Had a really good couple of days. He was pity about the second day. Did some pretty bad performances. Jab wasn't up to scratch. Discus wasn't up to scratch. Pole vault. It was all right. But yeah, 1500 was really good. Felt really bugged and tired and just kept with me pacer, the old German. And those Germans are pretty good.
27 position from Chile, Joaquín de Real.
You reckon you wouldn't do 50 metres?
And here from the Museum Carmen Thyssen in Malaga, we bid you farewell from this episode of Matilda Visits. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're interested in more episodes from our trip to Spain, have a look in the description below where we've got the links to all of them. Yes, so we bid you farewell with some pictures here from the exhibition that we'd like to see now. Bye bye.